Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to change map display options. Let me show you how to customize the map view. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the home screen, let's use the left bar, and from the left bar, all we need to do is use here nav. As you can see, nav as navigation. Select here map, and under map you've got here access to this menu in the center of the screen. Let's just tap it. As you can see, choose here the first option, which is map view, and right now I'm using 3D map. So this is like the view with 3D buildings and the terrain. It's really useful. I can also use here auto zoom. So if you turn this on, the map will automatically zoom in when you approach a turn or an intersection and zoom out when you are driving fast on a highway. You can also change the online traffic, as you can see, but you need to have the data connection. So online traffic, it could be really useful because it shows real-time traffic conditions, red, yellow or green lights on the roads to help you avoid jams. You can also set here the Google Earth, as you can see, but also you need to have the internet connection to do this. So this replaces the standard geographic map with actual satellite imagery. It looks very realistic, but requires a data connection to load the image, so you have to be aware of this. And the last one is compass, so you can also use here compass as well. So of course you can display the compass to check out your direction by using north, south, east or west. And I also forgot to mention that you can display point of interest. It shows the icons on the map for useful places like gas station, restaurants, hotels or parking lots. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.